Hey guys, James Miner here with American Surplus, and today we are here talking about gravity roller conveyor. In many industries, transporting goods around your facility efficiently allows for increased productivity and higher output. The best way to achieve this is by adding a conveyor system to your warehouse. Conveyor is a vital part of any high-traffic facility, dramatically increasing picking and sorting efficiency. Gravity conveyor is the most common and most cost-effective form, conveying goods using the force of gravity instead of requiring an auxiliary power source to move material. They can be set up at a decline, which allows products to flow automatically from an area of high elevation to a lower area. They can also be installed horizontally for materials to be manually pushed, which is ideal for areas where products need to be manipulated by hand. While there are several types of gravity conveyor, today we'll be discussing gravity roller conveyor. Roller conveyor is heavy duty, able to withstand weights of several hundred pounds per roller. Unlike skatewheel conveyor, rollers allow transportation of products with or without a flat bottom. Rollers are available in 1.38 and 1.9 inch roller diameters, and they come in either 3, 4.5, or 6 inch centers. Determining which size you will need depends on the weight of the items which will be conveyed. Navigating the addition of a conveyor system can be a daunting task. However, American Surplus has been an industry leader in used conveyor sales for over 29 years. We can design your conveyor system for you, optimizing every inch of space in your facility, and we will even offer nationwide installation service to ensure that everything gets installed correctly and runs smoothly, all while saving you 40 to 60% off compared to new prices. If you are in the market today for a gravity roller, give American Surplus a call at 800-989-7176 or check out our website at americansurplus.com, and I'll see you guys next time.